welcome. Yes, I'm in the Model Y again, and I am headed to Greg's. And today will be an interesting run. The car, you know what? The car is no issues. But since I'm in the Model Y, I'm going to tell you that we're going to drive all the way to South Carolina. I'm going to install an antenna support using my drone using a bomb drop attachment. You might want to watch the video just for that. This is just another example in the Model Y. I charge it to 85% overnight. I've set up the trips here and we are ready to go. It's not very long. It's not going to use a lot of energy, but it's just another example that with an electric car, it's an absolute no-brainer to charge it, drive it for the day, and replug it in. Here it is, the bomb drop attachment for my DJI Mavic 2. It clamps around the drone. There is a small servo here, which you'd use in a model airplane. And the drone activates this servo, pulling this pin out. There's just a couple loops here hooked to your payload. And the battery is here, and the servo is there, and it's all self-contained. I'll hook this up later and I'll show you how we can put something in a tree. Maybe you want to put a line over a tree or drop something in your neighbor's pool. You know, who knows? Anyway, here it is. All right, I'm going to hit the road. I've got a ways to go. I'm headed to Greg's. Man, what a nice day. Look at that. All the trees are budding out. It's not going to be long before we get a bunch of leaves here. Of course, with leaves, we get heat, we get bugs. It's all right. I'd rather have that than snow and cold. They had a water main break, I don't know, probably 3 weeks ago, and they fixed it, but I think they're going to tear it all out and rebuild it now. Probably had to get parts or something, don't know. Downtown Landrum, people are coming out, which is good. I think we're all tired of the cold weather here. I'm here on Landrum Highway, or Highway 14 now. Man, look at the trees go. We're down in a section that's south of me, and South Carolina generally has warmer weather. So a little warmer weather, the trees tend to bloom out a little bit first. On autopilot, of course. I'm now here at Greg's, 20 miles from my house to his, 251 watt hours per mile. Our next step is to charge the drone, charge the bomb dropper, and set up and put this rope into the tree. This is what trees look like, and we've got to go over the top of it and drop a rope down it. You can see. So that's our job today. We are hungry. We've been hanging ropes and lines for antennas all day with the drone. Let me tell you, with the bomb drop attachment, putting a rope or a line in a tall tree is a no-brainer. We're just about at the restaurant. We're heading over. We're going to actually meet Matt. Get a little something to eat. Then we got to go to the hardware store, of course. We made it out here to Wade Hampton, which is Highway 29. And it is rush hour. As you can see, everybody's headed home. We're crossing the highway, though. We're going to head over tonight at a place called Mythos. It's a Greek-Italian restaurant. Been there before. We just had to get some electrical stuff from Lowe's. We had an awesome dinner with Matt, Greg, and I. Best part about it was Greg bought tonight, so thanks.
I owed you guys big time.
Anyway, we're heading to Greg's now. We're over here off of Highway 29 in Greer. The sun is going down. It's getting late. I'm headed home. Greg lives a little south of me here in South Carolina. Let's go. Up here on Highway 14 now, heading that way. Wow, what a cool day today. Took the Tesla down to Greg's in South Carolina. And if we look here, we used a whopping 53 miles of range, 271 watt hours per mile, and 14 kilowatt hours of energy. We arrived with 59%. And while that's really nothing here in the car, it just goes to show you charge it overnight and you can drive it wherever. So what'd you think of that Mavic Air 2 and the bomb dropper attachment? I thought it was pretty dang cool. That was the first time I took the bomb dropper anywhere, but it just goes to show you that you can drop weights like we did with a monofilament line through a tree and pull a rope up there and hang an antenna, or just about anything. I don't know. I think it's a pretty cool attachment. So you're wondering, where do you get it? Amazon. Go to Amazon and look for drone bomb drop. And it'll come up with, I think there's a couple of kinds. I chose the one I did because a friend of mine used one just like it, and it worked very well. Anyway, if you liked today's video, give me a like. And if you would, please subscribe. You know I'd appreciate it. Thank you for watching. I'll look for you in the next video, and take care.